case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In the 1939 case of N. Sobel Inc. v. Commissioner, heard by the United States Board of Tax Appeals, a notable decision was made regarding the treatment of promissory notes in relation to taxation. The case focused on the question of whether releasing an obligation, such as a promissory note, should count as a gain of assets and therefore subject to taxation. A taxpayer who gave a note in payment for a property faced uncertainty about its actual liability amount and whether it had truly acquired the property in 1929. In 1935, the taxpayer attempted to deduct $10,850 after settling litigation over the note. However, the commissioner disallowed this deduction, adding the same amount to the taxpayer's gross income as a gain resulting from the settlement of an obligation for 1/2 the face value. The lower court's decision was not mentioned. Ultimately, the court decided that the taxpayer had no loss until its liability was definitely fixed in 1935 for $10,850, and it was entitled to the deduction. The court ruled that releasing an obligation, such as a promissory note, does not necessarily count as a gain of assets, thereby contradicting the commissioner's decision to add the settlement to the taxpayer's gross income. With this decision, the United States Board of Tax Appeals reversed the commissioner's ruling, and the case was recorded under Booley SO. This established that deductions for losses could not be taken until liabilities were definitely fixed and actual losses were present.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.